having everybody immediately in the same file. So I was in a class of 20 students and just seeing their cursors move around. I just had this like aha moment where, oh my God, like thousands of ideas just started flooding into my head with what we could accomplish. So from that on out, every single one of my class sessions was just like, all right, can I break Figma today? Right? Like I just had these different ideas. It's more powerful than just product and UX because it's fundamentally collaboration.
As I kind of stumbled upon it and learned more about it, my mind was just blown because I'm thinking, what if this was applied in a math classroom or science classroom or English? The tool of a designer, why not give that to a teacher who is also a designer of learning experiences?